Welcome back to Minirum once again. And I'm Dr. Kumarani. He's a PhD lifestyle and wellness consultant, astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. He's traveled all over the world. He's met by celebrities and film stars. And today he's there to advise you. So if you want to go and meet him personally, appointments venam ennundengil, you can contact Mr. Kiran. The contact number is 050-272-4157. Doctor, we have a caller with us.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, namaskaram. Peru varayu.
ഞാൻ അബുദാബിയിൽ നിന്നാണ്.
പേര് പറയൂ, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ശോഭ.
ശോഭയെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
അല്ല, മോളെ.
മോളുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
6th April 1992.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം
early morning. റിയാദ് ടൈം 11 o'clock PM.
11 PM. എവിടെ? സൗദിയോ?
സൗദി.
ഓക്കെ. പ്ലേസ് ഇസ് സൗദി.
സൗദി റിയാദ്.
റിയാദ്. ഓക്കെ. 11 PM അല്ലേ?
11 PM.
എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
മോള് മാര്യേജിനെ പറ്റിയും സ്റ്റഡിയെ പറ്റിയും.
ഓക്കെ. Wants to know about her studies and marriage.
Yes, but I have to just check Saudi here.
Yes, in the meantime, ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. SMS format is NTV space നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം, നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര്.
Okay, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh.
Yes.
06041982 Tuesday, 23 hours. Riyadh.
23 hours, sir.
Yeah, okay, 1 minute. Okay, he is Kanya Rashi. Yes, and the nakshatra is UP. Uttram nakshatra. Yes.
April 1992, 11 PM.
1992?
Yes, 1992.
Oh, sorry. No, I put one.
ഓക്കെ. ഇൻ ദ മീൻ ടൈം എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്, നമുക്കിവിടെ കുറേ SMS വരുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ SMS അയച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ഗോപികയാണ്. അതിൽ വേറെ ഒന്നും വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല, പേര് മാത്രമേ വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളൂ. സോ ഗോപിക, യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ഡൗൺ ഓൾ യുവർ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ്, എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്. അപ്പം അങ്ങനെ അയക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആയിരിക്കും that he'll be able to tell you this. We just have your name in this. All right.
Yes, even you can tell about George, in the meantime.
Yes, and last time നമുക്കൊരു SMS വന്നിരുന്നു. That was from George, and the date of birth was 29/9/2013. So what doctor has to say is, if it is 2013, it is too early to
early to
tell the Jatagam. Because
issues are educational and monetary
situations and future. അത് തെറ്റായിട്ട് അയച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ you can resend it. അത് if it is 2013, it's too early, because അതിന്റെ കൂടെ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് വന്ന് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ, മോണിറ്ററി സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ആണ്. So that is not possible to.
Correct, that is what
it's not possible to read out.
Okay, he is Vrishabh Rashi and Kartika Nakshatra.
Bharani Nakshatra.
Sorry?
Bharani, she said.
Bharani Nakshatra.
One minute, then let me check the details for you. It is 06041992 Monday.
0604
correct?
992.
Yeah, 06041992 Monday, 23 hours, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Yes, no. Maybe it is somewhere it is a mistake.
What Nakshatra is, sir?
It's Kartika. Yes. It's Kartika Nakshatra.
Yeah, she born in 11 o'clock Riyadh. That was.
Yeah, no, 11 o'clock AM or PM, you see. See, if it is AM, it is Bharani. It is PM, it is Kartika. Very simple. First you told me AM, then you said no, it is PM.
No, it's a PM.
It's PM, then it is Kartika. 100% sure. You have to go with this nakshatra. Okay. Yes.
AM is Bharani.
Yeah, if it is AM, then it will be Bharani. Correct.
Okay, sir. I don't know. This is what we got it.
No. If it is AM, it is Bharani. If it is PM, it is Kartika, because nakshatra will change as per the timings. If it is 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's okay. But if it is completely 12 hours difference, naturally the situation will change. But I will tell you as per this, whatever details you have given me. She has got Chavadosham. Yes. And subsequently doesn't have any Shani presently. The dasha which is going on is Rahu dasha, which is started in May 2010, Rahu dasha, and it will be up till 2028 for 18 years.
2028.
Yeah, 2028, correct. And what is the question?
Wants to
My
know about her
question,
marriage
now
and
she-
studies.
Now she is studying for the medicine 4th year.
Medical 4th year, okay.
And about her exam is going on in January.
Yeah.
And that plus her marriage.
Okay, okay. I think studies are okay. She can, it's okay. She wouldn't face any difficulty in the studies.
Okay.
And yes, and marriage, because of this Chava Dosham, as I told you, you should do the necessary prayers in the native place. And subsequently, if you do all is well, then I think by 26 and 27 she can get married.
26 and 27.
Yeah, 26,
So she
20.
has got the Chava dosham.
Yes, she has got Chava Dosham, so you should do the necessary prayers. If you don't do the remedies, then you know the marriage usually will go up till 32 or 33 years of age.
Okay, sir, because we have at present Haranam star, Dr. Horoscope is with us. So, we didn't know this.
Yeah. No. This is there. So just go. I will tell you some remedies also for this.
Okay.
Yeah. She can go for the aquamarine crystal. Prosperity pendant number is for her 9. Even you can keep a aquarium in the north area of the living room, and try to tell her to feed the fishes every Wednesday. With
Feed the fishes.
yeah, feed the fishes every what you say Wednesday evening, Wednesday after you can say sunset, with rice and sugar mix, and plus kala chana, black chana, black grams.
Okay.
Yes, you have to either soak it or boil it.
Black chana.
Soak it or boil it and then give it to the fishes, but she should eat 7 pieces of that grams.
Okay. 7
Yes,
pieces.
yes. Do not accept any electrical goods as gift, and whatever electronics item you have at home, not using or you can say not working in condition, either repair it or throw it.
I see.
Okay, I think
How
with
long
this.
she need to do this kind of, sir?
Sorry.
How long she need to do this?
How long she needs to do this?
Yeah, she can do it for at least for next 4 to 5 years. It's just once
4
a
to
week.
5
It's just once a week, not a problem.
Oh, I see.
It's just
I
once a
think,
week, every Wednesday after sunset,
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for calling.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye. We'll go to another SMS.
Yes.
Raji Star Magam. Date of birth is 11/1/1974. Kerala, time 7:30 a.m. Want to know about future.
Yes. Okay. He has got Chava Dosham, and he also got Dasha is also.
Yeah.
Sorry, Raji, she has got Dasha also Chava, and yes, Nakshatra is Magam, and she has Ardha Shani going on. Just started in November 2014, and it will be up till October 2017. So her issue is, I think, what is the
Wants to
issue?
know about the future. That's it.
Just
yeah.
future. Okay, I think future is. I will just say that like if you do some remedies, I think that would give you good results. Otherwise, whatever efforts you put, you will just get 50% of the efforts, and a certain period you will get, but it will be very, very slow. Sometimes the cream of it, your desires will just go off. So I will just advise you can go for the prosperity pendant number 2, your birth number 2, and your Saturn also phase started on 2nd November. So you can go for the prosperity pendant number 2. You can always you can say service to the elders or old age home. You can give food or fruits and medicines. Plus I will advise you at night avoid white milk, yogurt, lassi, and also you can avoid radish, mooli, mulangi. Plus you can wash your feet at night before going to bed, and always wear bathroom slippers while taking bath.
Okay, thank you, doctor. So that was for Raji. Raji, the
Yes.
Vishwasikinu, we have a caller with us. Hello, namaskaram.
Hello, my name is Hari.
Hari.
My date of birth is 5th November 1998.
Okay. എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത്? സമയം?
സമയം 7:28 p.m.
Okay.
and Thrissur.
തൃശ്ശൂർ. തൃശ്ശൂരിലാണ് ജനിച്ചത്.
Yeah, Thrissur.
Okay. എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
Actually, എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ education and future നെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണം.
Okay. He wants to know about his education and future.
Yeah.
ഹരിഹരൻ അല്ലേ?
Ah,
Okay. 5th November 1998. 7:28 p.m.
Yes, and it's Kerala.
Yes.
You are born on Saturday.
Yeah. Yes.
What you are doing now?
I'm sitting here.
No,
No, what are you doing? എന്താ
What you do
പഠിക്കുകയാണോ?
now?
Hello.
ഹലോ പഠിക്കുകയാണോ എന്ന്?
പഠിക്കാണ്.
അതെ, എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്?
Hello.
യെസ്, എന്തിനാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്? സ്കൂളിലാണോ കോളേജിലാണോ?
School. I'm studying school, 10th standard.
10th standard. Okay. I know now you are speaking to me on the phone.
Yes.
Sitting down. You are not standing. You are sitting down. I know.
Yeah.
He's too frank.
Yeah, very good. No, we should enjoy the show, you know. So you are Uttaram Nakshatra, Kanya Rashi.
No, I'm Kartika.
Kartika, one minute. What date of birth you said?
5th November 1998 അല്ലേ?
അതെ.
5th November 05/11/1988 Saturday 1928 Kerala, correct?
Yes.
No, you cannot be Kartika then.
PM.
Yes, 1928.
7:28 p.m. Thursday ആണ് born ചെയ്തത്.
He's born on a Thursday, he's saying.
1 minute. 05/11/1988.
Yeah.
98. Not 88,
Yes.
98. Yes.
1998. I said 1988. That is why.
1998.
Yes. Thursday, 5th November 1988 is what you say? Thursday, correct.
Yes.
Yeah, Vishabh Rashi, Kartika Nakshatra.
Yeah, Kartika.
Yeah, why Vishabh Rashi, Kartika Nakshatra.
Yes.
Okay, you don't have any Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani, but Ardha Shani will start in January 2017. So you should be careful. You have Chava Dosham also at the same time.
Okay.
And,
actually you are telling that January 2017 bad time തുടങ്ങുന്ന.
Yeah, it will start. It is not necessarily a bad time, but things can be favorable. You are birth number 5 and your life path number is 7. So your lucky number is 7. Day is Thursday and the color will be maroon and orange. Presently you have Mangal Dasha, Chauva Dasha up till 2016.
Okay.
So your difficult time little starts in 2017 because after this you got Rahu Dasha for 18 years.
Okay.
Yeah, I will tell you some remedies. What is your question basically for studies?
Yes, and
For
future.
studies and future.
Yeah, studies I think you can go for any medical line, computers or engineering.
Okay.
Yes, what you have thought for it?
Like I want to go for the medical.
Medical, yes. But you have to really work hard because of the dasha. I will tell you, you have to really work hard. Huh?
Okay.
Yes, and once you go for the medical line, I think that would be very, very comfortable for you. And even if you don't get proper MBBS, you can go for other type of degrees like dentist or
Okay.
pharmacist if you do not perform that way. So don't get yourself disappointed, but you can go always for medical line. That would be first preference. Second is engineering or technical line for you.
So what about my future? Like
Yeah.
whether it will be good or bad?
Yeah, no, future is good. Don't worry about the future because once you are very, very well qualified, your placement will be good. You will prosper away from the motherland, so you can
Okay.
settle anywhere abroad.
Okay.
And I would advise you can go for a blue quartz crystal. Your prosperity pendant birth is number 7 because 7 is your lucky number.
Okay.
You can also keep a crystal pyramid at your office at the study table.
Okay.
Yes, and plus I would advise you always donate black color things like black umbrella, black bags, black shoes to the junior school children's.
Okay. So
In
I
your-
can't wear black.
Yes, you should avoid full black.
Okay.
Blue is okay, but avoid full black in day-to-day life. Occasionally is okay, but day-to-day life you should avoid full black. And even
Okay.
you should donate educational books to the children, small children. As in,
Okay.
that also would give you very good results for yourself.
So what about my result for the 10th standard? Whether it will be good or bad?
Yes, it will be good, but you have to work hard. It will be
Okay,
good.
okay.
Don't worry, you will get good results of your efforts. And always you can on Wednesday try to eat something green vegetables.
Okay.
And
Okay.
also donate green color food articles.
Okay. On which day? Wednesday.
Yes, Wednesdays.
Okay. So
Okay.
any other remedies?
That would be fine. If
Fine,
you
yes.
want more, I will just tell you, give up your favorite food or fruit
Okay.
until you get your 10th results.
Okay. I should give up.
Give up, yes, sacrifice. Give up your favorite food or fruit and be vegetarian on Tuesday up till 2016. On Tuesday, June 2016, be vegetarian. Okay? Happy?
Okay, thank you, Hariharan, for
Good luck,
calling.
good luck to you.
Bye-bye. All right. Okay, doctor, we'll go to another SMS. It's from Srijit. Date of birth is 29/11/1982. Time is 5:22 a.m. Place of birth is Kerala. Present. He would like to know about his present and future. He's
Basically searching for a job in Dubai. Yes, he's having very difficult time. He is Mesh Rashi, Bari Nakshatra, and his Ardha Shani. He's just started in November 2014, so I think you will have some difficult time up till October 2017 as your Ardha Shani is there. Your Dasha is Chawa Dasha from 2015 it will start and up till 2021. So I will advise you, I think you have to do some remedies, otherwise it is difficult for you to get a job of your choice or a job of your own capabilities. I will advise you, you can go for the prosperity pendant number 3, that would give you good results. And even you can wear a Rahu beads mala with 27 beads, that would be good for you. Only for 21 minutes you have to wear daily. And you can also keep a crystal turtle at your table, office table, in water. And do not accept any electrical goods. Avoid full black. Blue is very favorable color. All shades of blue will be very good for you. Plus you should donate food, fruits to the orphanage, to the elderly home. And if you can sponsor a pilgrimage tour once in a year or once in 2 years for the needy people, I think that would give you very good results.
Okay, thank you, doctor. So that was for Srijit. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
Sujit.
സുജിത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
അതെ.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
7/1.
Yes.
1965.
Okay, time?
Time അറിയില്ല.
Morning ആണോ ഈവനിങ് ആണോ?
ഈവനിങ് ആണെന്നാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്.
Okay, നക്ഷത്രം അറിയോ?
ചതയം.
Chadayam. Okay, his nakshatram is Chadayam, but he's not sure of the time.
So 7/1/1965.
Yes. എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
ജനിച്ചത് ഹൈദരാബാദിലാണ്.
ഹൈദരാബാദ്.
Okay,
Okay.
it's Hyderabad. Huh?
Yes. Okay, എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
എന്റെ ജോബിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട്.
Okay. Wants to know about his job. 7/1/1965, Chadayam Nakshatram, place is Hyderabad.
Yeah, you're born on Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. Evening, you're born is Kumbh Rashi.
Yeah.
And yeah, Kumbh Rashi, Chatyam Nakshatra, correct.
Yeah.
Yes, you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, your dasha is Budham dasha going on presently for you from 2006 and up till October 2023. And your birth number 7, life path number is 2. So your lucky number is
Yeah.
2, color is white and cream, and day will be Monday for you. So you want to know about your job, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, job, I will see that you can get a good break in the mid or you can say July, August 2015. And even if you do some remedies, you have got a Raja Yoga. Your particular planet is in the 11th house. I don't know if you're seeing this program from the beginning, then your Rahu is in the 11th house. So that is basically, but if you make this planet or this chart strong, I think you can get a good, like Raja Yoga means you will be very efficient, or you will be doing very good in your own profession. You are in which field?
I'm from Kerala.
No, which field, which type of job you are doing?
Actually, at present, I am not having any job. I lost my job.
Okay.
I'm trying for a job now.
Yes.
But the thing is, everything is getting nearer.
But at the end and the last moment, I think
Yeah, it's close now.
things are not getting.
Yeah, in my hand.
Yes, and I think you have, I think, appeared for a lot of interviews also.
Yeah.
Yes, this also want to see because a lot of struggle is there, like, but results are completely, like zero for you.
Yeah.
I will tell you, yes, I will tell you some remedies. I think if you do that remedies, that would be, I think that would quite give you good results. Yeah. So one thing is, ball bearing. You know ball bearing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take 7 pieces of ball bearing and color it red and keep it in your pocket whenever you're going for interview.
Okay.
Keep
Only that balls.
7 pieces of small ball bearing, color it red and keep in your pocket always, and whenever you're going for interview you should always have it in your pocket.
Okay.
Be vegetarian food on Saturday and Thursday.
Saturday.
On Thursday do not give loan. Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut and avoid shampoo also on Thursday.
Okay.
Okay, feed the pigeons. Feed the pigeons daily for 62 days with yellow moong dal. Yes, with yellow moong dal, and then only on Thursday once a week. Okay, and yes, you can go also for a yellow quartz crystal
Yellow quartz crystal.
and ek mukhi rudraksham.
8.
One face rudraksham to dilute the negative energies around you, and take salt water bath continues for 7 days. Take salt water bath continues for 7 days, and whenever you are going for interview, take salt water bath in the morning, do some meditation, have positive attitude, and then go for the interview. I think you will, if you do all these things, I think by 30-45 days you should get good results. Okay, you got it, everything?
Yeah, and when does radio come start?
Raj Yoga is already there with you. It is not starting. It is already there. Only things you have to do some remedies to get it. For this Raja Yogam, I can advise you. You can wear Rahu beads mala. Rahu beads mala, 27 beads daily for 27 minutes.
Which one? Could you please repeat?
Rahu beads mala, 27 beads for 27 minutes daily, and you have to do meditation with that. Okay, if you have any more queries, you can just contact Kiran,
Yeah.
050-272-4157,
Yes.
and then you can get more clarification that time also if you are not very clear.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks
all
a lot
right.
for calling.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, doctor, our time is almost over here.
Oh,
Once again, thanks
okay.
a lot for being on Miriam and being
Surprised
of
today.
help, giving them advices, remedies to all our viewers. Thanks a lot.
No, thank you. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to serve you all. Thank you very much.
All right, അപ്പം ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ സമയമായിരിക്കണം. ബിഫോർ ദാറ്റ് വൺസ് അഗൈൻ ഐ വുഡ് ലൈക്ക് ടു റിമൈൻഡ് യു, ഡോക്ടറെ നേരിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പോയി കാണണം, അതുപോലെ അപ്പോയിൻമെന്റ് വേണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, അഡ്വൈസസ് വേണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ കോൺടാക്ട് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ ആൻഡ് ദ കോൺടാക്ട് നമ്പർ ഇസ് 050-272-4157. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മറ്റൊരു കാര്യം, മുംബൈയുടെ ലൈവ് ഗസൽ ഇൻട്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഷോ ഇവിടെ NTV-യിൽ December 18th നടക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പം അത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഹാപ്പനിങ് ഫോർ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഇൻ ദ ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ടെലിവിഷൻ. ഐ എം ഷുവർ അതൊരു വളരെ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഷോ ആയിരിക്കും. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഗസൽസ് ഒക്കെ ഇവിടെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. സോ വിത്ത് ദാറ്റ് വി ആർ കമ്മിങ് ടു ദി എൻഡ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് എപ്പിസോഡ്. അപ്പം SMS ഐക്കൺ നമ്പർ 3537 വൺസ് അഗൈൻ. അപ്പം ഹാപ്പി വീക്കെൻഡ് ടു ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു. ഇറ്റ്സ് മീ ഷെറിൻ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Nandi Namaskaram.